Hello fam, Sir here. In this video, we are going to give a property tour for a property right here in Matthews. Now, Matthews is a suburb of Charlotte, and this property is what I call a farmhouse chic. Stick around. To those of you who are new to the channel, I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel, we talk about money, real estate, and all things Charlotte. If you're interested in any one of those things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also tap on that like button. It allows YouTube to know that people see value in what I'm providing on this channel. Let's go inside and look at this property. I'm going to give you details about the property throughout the video. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, here we are. We're about to look at the front yard, and then we're going to go inside. Now, this home sits on 0.85 acres. So you get a large lot. This home is in Matthews. Now, going into this home, it's a little bittersweet, to be frank with you. My client really loved this property, and I thought it would be perfect for their family. We put in a very strong offer, but we did not win. Here we are. Now, this has been beautifully renovated. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, and the square footage is 2,750. Here we are going into the first sitting area. Going into the main living room. See the beams along the ceiling, just tastefully done. Now, this home was originally built in 1978. That fireplace is a wood burning fireplace, and it is functioning. Underneath the stairway, you can use it for storage. They have it set for their pet. Just little touches like that just made it feel very welcoming and homey. You have a half bathroom right here. Now we're heading into the renovated kitchen. Just to show where you are in the home. That is the front door. The owners did a very good job designing this, making it seem modern but warm as well. That's a microwave in the cabinets. This is your pantry / laundry area right here. Again, this home was built in 1978, so you have to make do with the space you have and make it functioning for today. This is your dining area. Now let's head outside. You have this huge entertainment area right here. This deck just goes along the whole exterior, along the back. You have this large lot back there as well. We're gonna go back there in a second. Let's go inside the garage. Tons of storage in the garage. That's how long your driveway is. Let's go upstairs where you can have additional storage. Look at all this additional storage. You can just hoard things up here and it'll be out of everybody's way. Now we're looking at the exterior of the home, the back of it. Now let's just walk the yard. Got an extra storage shed over there. Let's take a look inside the storage shed. Now we're back inside. Let's go on upstairs. To the left is the owner's suite, but we're gonna go to the right now. The first bedroom. All of these bedrooms are very good sized. Now this home came to market. It was asking $445. Again, it is in Matthews. Matthews is highly desirable. I'll do a video on Matthews shortly, just explaining why it is so desirable. But I can attest that they got plenty of offers and the property is going to sell for well over $445. This is the main bathroom upstairs where the guest rooms or kids rooms share. They use the same flooring in the kitchen downstairs. Again, they just did a good job tying everything together. This is that second bedroom. Little desk area, perfect for these virtual learning days right now. Go on to the third bedroom. I think this is the smallest of all the bedrooms, and it's still a very good size. To the left right there is the attic, just additional storage. And this is your owner's suite. You do have a fireplace. It does not work. It has been capped off, but it just gives a nice touch and homey feel. And off of the owner's suite, you have this little deck right here to where you can sit out in the mornings, drink your coffee, and just relax. Or if people are outside, you can just still be part of the entertainment right from the comfort of your room. Now let's check out the owner's bathroom. Now this setup is a little funky, but it works. You have one sink over here. Little hallway. And then the other sink, toilet, and shower. In the comment section, let me know what you think of this bathroom and just what you think of the home in general. Again, I really liked it. It's a little quirky, but it just would have served my clients well for what they needed. And it just looks beautiful. I believe they did an excellent job tying everything together. And I understand why they received multiple offers and why it's going to sell for well above asking price. Last look into the owner's suite. That is it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next video, and I will talk to you soon.